Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm standing in front of this AA2 friendly circle, a 3 bedroom and 2.5 bath. Let's come inside to have a tour. So as you can see, this house is a 2 story house with a 2-car garage, and let me show you what it's come with inside. When we walk inside, you will have this gigantic living space with a fireplace right here and a high ceiling, which is always a good thing, right? All right, and right here will be the previous owner. They use this as a dining tables, but I think the space and size can be used as a dining table, and you can utilize the space as more living space, more family space. It's also work. And let's come inside. This house is a 1,400 square footage house plus, so quite big for a 3 bedroom, right? And right here is gonna be your kitchen. Yeah, as you can see, the wood they use very dark, so it's bring a very vintage and very retro vibe for this kitchen, which is a nice touch. Usually you don't see this type of wood colors anymore. And this is a space for a dining tables that I'm talking about, which I think make more sense since you are closer to the kitchens, and overall the space just fit a bit better. And if you come in this side, you will have your first half bathroom right here. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, you can see the half bathroom, just small, but it does the job, right? And coming on this side, we will come out to the outdoor space, the backyard. I'm sorry for the noise, the AC is on right now, but this is gonna be your backyard. A decent size, not that big, but overall it does the job and very low maintenance. If you look on this side, it will be the little garden. I think they're planting some sort of, let me see, what it is. Is it apple? Sorry guys, I can't tell, but yeah, this is gonna be your garden space. And how about we come back inside, go into the 2nd story so I can show you all the other rooms. I love high ceiling. It's always make the house feel more airy and just a bit like brighter, a bit bigger. This gonna be your under the stair storage. Okay, yeah, quite a few storage space. So which is a good thing. Let me close this door first. And now let's coming upstairs. Going upstairs is the 3 bedroom that we're talking about. So let's do the first one. Very impressive room. This room, as you can see, has this very unique design for the windows. And honestly, I love this window. It's bring me a very homey vibe. It's kind of like you're living on the roof of the house. And on this side will be the closet. And another plus for this room is they have a little storage right here. Yeah, I think kids will love this a lot. It's kind of like they can make it their own cave or something. Yeah. Okay, so let's moving on to the 2nd bedroom right here. This bedroom have the similar dimension, but the window design here is a corner windows. Kind of unique, very bright, and it's also come with a closet, a decent sized room, and yeah, I'm thinking about putting like a studying desk right here, or maybe a bed and a desk right here. Let's go ahead and check out the bathroom for these 2 rooms. Gonna be right here. Yeah, right here. Here, let me show you. It's kind of small. This is the bathroom. Yeah, very bright, clean. And this is your little pantry. I mean, you can put shoes, or you can put like snack, microwave, make it your little small snack section. Okay. So now we're heading into the master bedroom. There we go. Yeah, same thing, closets right here, but this closet is like way bigger. And on this side is another windows. I love rooms with windows. The more windows, the better, right? And coming this side is the master bathroom. Here you go. This is the master bathroom. It's not that big, but yeah, it still is the master bathroom, right? Okay, so let's head downstairs. Another good spot I want you guys to see is this one. I love looking from downstairs, from upstairs down. It's look very nice. Yeah. And I think right here is the little spot for you to, I don't know, maybe do some kind of decoration here is fine too. So yeah, this house are currently listed at $760,000, and it is located at a very safe neighborhood. It is a Gates neighborhood, and Friendly Circle is around Alcohol or Santee area. And if you guys have any interest in this house, feel free to contact me. I can give you a tour. I can give you more information for this house. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys again on the next one. Thanks. Bye.